Okay, so this is where we are. This is where we are on a Sunday afternoon. Look, the way it look like the way it was inside. Okay, so we are in where we Illusion
Illusions in Glen
in the Burning. Kind of loud on a Sunday. No, I'm talking. This is supposed to be in the hood.
It's not.
It is.
There's
Glen
nothing.
Burning is the hood.
There is nothing about Glen Burnie to hood. Okay.
Hoodie. So, what did you get?
I got French toast. Show my face. I got grits. Potatoes and chicken fingers. Over here we got chicken masala over rice. Chicken masala. We bougie. Green beans, macaroni and cheese and pasta.
Well, I have sweet potato, mac and cheese, chicken masala, green beans, chicken fingers, bacon, and French toast. Can we finish all this food? Yes, we can.